So this is how you can fix Roblox content not accessible problem. It happens to a lot of people when they try to join a game and it's not accessible for them, like it says you need to be 17 plus or something like that. It happens to a lot of people. So, how do you actually fix this problem? Because it is a big problem that occurs naturally. So, let's say you're playing a 17 plus game or you want to play a 17 plus game but you can't because your account is under 17. Let's tap on more at the bottom right. Scroll down until we find settings and tap on privacy and content maturity. You're going to want to wait for this to load, but once it loads, you're going to want to tap on content maturity at the very top. Make sure that this bar is set at the minimal section, like the very least. Choose a content maturity level for your account. This controls which experiences you can join. So you're going to want to make sure that it's at minimal. And now let's go back to the settings tab and tap on account info. What you're going to want to do is make sure that you are actually 17 and above. So set your date to your birthday, assuming you are 17 and above, and then tap on Verify My Age. By clicking Verify My Age, you will be completing an ID verification process operated by Roblox's third-party service provider. You can also consent to the collection, use, and sharing of your biometric data as described in the Roblox biometric privacy notice. So basically, you're going to need like an ID or maybe even a passport in order to verify your age. That is the only way to get into those 17 plus servers, and also that is the only way to get the microphone, like the microphone feature where you get to talk to other Robloxians. But yeah, that's pretty much how you change your age to 17 so that your content will now be accessible. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.